So let's take the stress out of cooking and making it fun. This too is where some people get overwhelmed because it's not fun. They feel like they have to get everything perfect. And I'm here to tell you that you don't. So, a few ways to help make it less stressful is to one, get organized. And organization starts with what? That's right, your meal plan. So, have your meal plan ready. Prepare what you need in advance, meaning if you're going to be using garlic or onions, gather your ingredients in your space and set yourself up. Get other people to cook with you, whether they be your partner or the young people in your home. Encourage them to work with you in the kitchen, and then play some music. Make it fun. Maybe you are listening to a great podcast, or you're watching a great cooking show on YouTube, or you're listening to an audible book. Whatever helps to relax you, go ahead and play that, and then get really comfortable, right? This is about fun, and taking care of yourself should be fun. Learn something new. So maybe this is where you try a new recipe. Maybe this is where you try a new cooking technique, or maybe you're just using a new ingredient. With YouTube and Google and so many cookbooks available, you can literally try any cuisine that you want to right from the comfort of your home. So, what country do you want to travel to tonight? Right? Another great way to make it fun is to organize a food bar where everyone can basically create their own meal. So you can do this easily with tacos, for example, or pizza, or burritos, or let's say, okay, I can't think of anything else right now. But you want to forget about perfection. Remember, this is about progress. And when we take the pressure off of ourselves, we can have more fun in the kitchen. So the bottom line is you want to make sure that you are stocking your refrigerator, your pantry, your freezer with healthy food items. Healthy does not have to be boring. It does not have to be expensive. You want to buy a few of these foods on your next grocery trip, or the next stop that you make to the farmer's market, and your kitchen will be fully stocked with healthy staples before you know it. Take your time. Making your meals easier and fun can help relieve stress, and it can actually free up time for more self-care. So think about what it is that you want to do now that you don't have enough time to do. And think about how taking a step towards meal planning can bring you closer to those things by freeing up your time.